Before I started going to the pool, I used to run. 5Ks, 10Ks. It didn't matter. Not how fast I sprinted, not whether I came in first. It was like trying to outrun my own shadow. But it's not my shadow I'm running from now. It's his. And he was running long before I was.
I said turn off the engine!
Now that was a getaway.
Bad news.
Step on it, Jay! There! On the left!
Barely see a thing out there.
That's the idea. Cut the engine.
Christ, I can't believe this.
We're alive. That's something at least.
You get that we're done for, right?
We could still go to the cabin.
How? On a magic carpet? Half the damn state's looking for us. And if anyone knows it's there...
Cops will be halfway to Devil's Gulch before they realize they're not following us. The cabin's off-grid. Bear never told a soul about the place.
We don't know that for sure. It's a huge risk.
Well, Jesus, Tyler, we gotta go somewhere.
Guys, I don't think this is helping.
Hey!
Look, you got away. Can you let me go now?
Shut up. Rob the sheriff, bust to Mexico. Fuck, Ma! All we do is cover up one mistake with the next one. We left Dale lying there. We just left him.
Why don't we talk in private?
Keep an eye on him.
Now, I know none of this has gone like you planned. And what happened to your
Hey,
brother,
unlock the door.
for the rest
What?
of my life.
No, I can't.
But right
Come
now,
on, man, this could be my only
we have to
chance.
give ourselves the
If
best
Tyler
chance of
sees
getting
you,
out of this.
He won't if you hurry. Come on, please.
Where are we going? So, we can't torture ourselves anymore. Dale wouldn't want it. He'd want us back in that car, headed as far away as possible.
Go quick, before they notice.
Thank you. Take care of yourself, kid.
Come on, back in the car.
What the?
Are you nuts? They'll hear it for miles.
How'd he get the door open, huh?
Tyler, it's spilt milk. Let's just get moving. We're heading for the cabin. We'll be safe about it. Let's hit the highway before that chopper circles back. You know you just gave up our only bargaining chip?
A person ain't a chip.
You sure Pa didn't tell anyone the cabin's there?
Barely told me about it.
I guess the motorcycle's there. And the food.
See? Now you're looking on the bright side.
The door's stuck. I can't get him out.
He's gonna die in there!
Hey, you hear that?
Fuck! They found us!
We gotta leave him. Go, go, go!
Come on.
Ma! Tyler!
Hey, I think I saw someone run.
When an animal goes bad, all a man can do is put it down.
Knew we shouldn't have brought him.
Hey. Let's go out to the cabin and get high. Where is it? Oh, why can't I find it? The cabin. I think I need water.
Somewhere at the edge of the world lies the lost fortress of awesomeness. All those who seek it have perished. All except one fearless young adventurer. His name, Ash Willema, famed for his courage, his honor, and his almost superhuman strength. And this is the story of his quest. No! Look, Shimá! I drew the story about the fort. You know, the one Ryan saw in the forest?
There are no forts in Arizona. He's making it up.
No, it's true. He was out hiking with his dad, out by the ridge. There's a rock shaped like a shark's tooth. That's where they saw it.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking, wouldn't it be awesome if we went looking for it too? We could camp out for the night and, I don't know, do other cool stuff, like... We could light a fire and roast marshmallows.
Now, if you want to get outdoors, why don't you go ride your bike? And while you're at it, go get the mail. Besides, we can't this weekend because
you're busy, like always. I bet my dad would have gone with me.
You have no idea what kind of man your father turned out to be.
All right. If you say so. Whatever.
Hey, buddy, you be careful on that road now. It'll be dark soon and you ain't got lights.
Go get the mail, Ash. Screw this. Uh-oh. Thunderstorms ahead. Climbing to 30,000 feet. Mountain! Pull up! Pull up! Awesome piloting skills. And now, the quest continues. On foot. Huh. No. This can't be right. Ah, Mom. If you'd come with me, we could have found it by now. Gotta be something I can eat. Come to Ash. Hello? What the hell is that? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Out by the ridge, near a rock shaped like a shark's tooth. No way. Gotta get water. Gotta get warm. That is so good. Please let there be a medicine cabinet. Hurry it up! Huh?
I find you hiding in there.
Shit. Shit.
Agent Bradley?
What's the news?
Hate to say it, but we've lost them in the woods.
Send out search parties. And notify local radio stations. I want everyone in the country knowing the name Holt.
Roger that.
The Holts. Think we're gonna catch them?
I'd say 50-50. The next 24 hours are critical. So it just depends on how smart they are.
Huh? I should stay inside.
That's the Woodman's cottage. It was my mom's, so don't drop it.
Are you the one who found me?
You're in pretty rough shape. You got babbling about some cabin or something. Are you lost?
No. I got hit by a car.
Where? In the forest?
On the highway. I must have hit my head and wondered.
Oh. Wow. Well, maybe I should call 911. I'd drive you to the hospital, but I'm not supposed to use a car.
No. I'm not that hurt. I mean, not hospital hurt.
You could be. You should get checked out.
I'm not, though. I swear.
Well, I'm glad you're alive. I wasn't sure for a while there. Are you okay? You went to Two Rock High, right?
Yeah. The high school. I went for a while.
Thought so. You used to eat lunch alone under that gnarly tree by the parking lot, right?
The juniper. Yeah, that was me.
Tell me your name again.
It's Dean.
Hey, Dean. I'm Vanessa.
Look, could I rest here a while? My head, I'll stay out of the way, I promise.
I guess I don't mind the company. But you have to be gone before 8, or my dad will kill us both. And just so we're clear, I once kicked a guy in the nuts so hard he swallowed his own tongue.
Good to know.
Here, these are old, but they're clean.
Thank you.
So, why'd you leave TRH? You got sick of Mrs. Campbell always sending everyone to detention?
Nah, I dropped out.
That makes 2 of us, by the way. I mean, technically I was pulled out so I could go to a lame Catholic school and be told what to wear and what to think, but what was your excuse?
Got tired of getting D's?
It's better than F's, isn't it?
You get F's if you don't try. D means you tried and you failed.
See? Much better.
BB, where's my sandwich?
I'll be right there!
Who was that?
Oh, it's just my Mima. Are you hungry? You're gonna behave yourself today, right, Mima?
Hang on, I forgot my cigarettes.
You haven't smoked in years.
Haven't I?
Nope.
We have some new developments in what police are now calling the Desert Dream Massacre. We knew one of the shooters was killed at the scene, but it's been confirmed 3 more are still on the loose.
You okay with ham and cheese?
Oh, none of those disgusting sliced singles.
The gunman who died was identified as Dale Holt of Two Rock, who had a prior conviction for assault.
BB, I was listening to that.
Mima, we have a visitor.
Hello there.
Hang on, I know that voice.
Huh?
Oh, Lord Almighty, you're home. Is it really you, Maddie?
I'm sorry. We've never met. My name's Dean.
Oh. Maddie died, didn't he?
Yes, Mima.
The things a mind can forget.
Here. Let me help.
So, Dean, what does a high school dropout do all day? I'm not judging. I'm just jealous.
Just do chores, mostly. Take care of the yard. If my brothers are home, maybe we go to the dump and find something we can fix, you know?
Sure. Who doesn't chill at the dump?
Tell you one thing, Matthew made better sandwiches than him.
I made your sandwich.
And it tastes like cardboard.
Because you won't let me use condiments.
I'm gonna go listen to Murder, She Wrote. It was nice to meet you, Dave.
She used to be my role model. She had a motorcycle license, she knew karate. Now she either can't find her pants or can't remember how to put them on.
Matthew, he's your...
My brother. He died in a car accident.
That sucks. I'm sorry.
I've had time to get used to it. Mima, she forgets.
My brother died too. Kinda recent.
How?
He got shot.
Fuck. That's... Ugh, that's horrible.
I know.
Look, do you mind if I study for a little bit? Finals start next week, and I haven't opened a book all semester.
Can I help clean up?
Be my guest. You know, you were smart to drop out. I mean, do we really need to know 3 ways Andrew Jackson changed the US presidency?
Don't think so.
If this comes up, I'm just gonna skip it. So, were you close?
Huh?
To your brother?
Once, he shot me 6 times with a BB gun. But he looked out for me when Pa was drinking. So, I guess it depended on the day.
Your dad... he's a drunk or something?
Was a drunk. Now he's fighting for his life in a VA hospital.
Damn. Your luck's as bad as mine. What happened?
He hung himself. Or tried to. I stopped him.
Jesus, Dean. This is a horrible thing to say, but sometimes I wish my dad would die or whatever.
Come on. You don't mean that.
You'd understand if you knew him. He's a control freak.
Hey, I hate my family sometimes too. If it ain't my pa drunk or my brother's picking on me, it's everyone just mad at each other for no reason.
See? You get it. Anyway, sorry that got so dark. Hey, you want to help me study?
Oh, I don't think I'll be much help.
Yeah, you will. That's always better with someone else.
Okay, sure.
Minnesota?
Nope.
Wyoming?
Still no.
Oh my god, I give up.
It's Alaska. Over 3 million acres of parks, all protected. Only place with more is Canada.
Let me see. Okay, your turn.
What? No, I
Which
don't...
president signed the 1906 Landmark Antiquities Act, created the Forest Service, and established 5 national parks, including the Grand Canyon?
Wait, I think I saw this on TV. I think it's Roosevelt.
Which Roosevelt?
Theodore. Teddy.
How the hell did you know that?
'Cause it's a cool story. See, there's this guy Muir. He was a naturalist. He went camping with Roosevelt once. Convinced him to protect the wilderness with a new law. And Roosevelt did it.
Wow. Want to take my final for me?
Nope.
Too bad, because I am officially gonna fail.
So? You don't need some test to know that you're smart and... You know what? Never mind.
Dean, that was, like, really sweet. Shit, he's home early. Just say you're a friend from school. Actually, no, say you're my study partner. The school paired us up because... Hi, Dad. I thought you were working late.
I didn't see another car out front. Who's this?
This is Dean, from school.
Hello, Dean from school.
Hello, sir.
Well, I'm glad to see you studying. But remind me, Dean, which school do you go to?
Huh? The Broadwell School.
Surely you mean the Bridgeley School.
Right. That's the one.
Dean's new at school. That's why the academic office put us into a study group together.
And you the one who sells her marijuana?
What? No, I told you I stopped smoking.
I'm asking him.
I should go.
You're not going anywhere. I like to know who my daughter spends her time with.
You're a cop?
I run a private security firm.
His company guards banks. In a town that hasn't had a bank robbery in decades.
Enough, Vanessa. Anyway, that might be changing. You hear about this motel massacre down on Route 66?
Oh, right, on the radio earlier. Well, I hope they catch them.
So do I. There's a manhunt underway. Once the FBI gets some sketches of this Holt family, their faces will be all over the country.
Jason! I need your help with something.
Don't you go anywhere.
I am so sorry.
I really think I should leave.
No, you'll only make it worse.
Vanessa, where's Mima's audiobook?
Hang on, it's probably in the bathroom.
I thought I told you to stay put.
Sir, I need to get home.
Sure. Your parents will be expecting you.
Dad, have you checked her? What's going on?
Your study partner was sneaking out.
You weren't even gonna say goodbye?
Well, I suppose I have no right to keep you here.
Thank you, sir. My mom will be...
Hang on. Why are you wearing my son's clothes?
I can explain. Look, I got struck by a car earlier. Vanessa found me and cleaned me up.
A hit and run? You kids should have called the cops. We could just flag down the one that's been patrolling.
No. It was my fault. I forgot to look. I was high.
Are you kidding me? Get the hell out of my house.
Yes, sir.
Goddamn junkie. You're grounded.
Wake up and hang these bush tails in the pantry for me. Damn it, I'll do it myself. Pussies. With your threatening letters. What's the matter? Can't face me like men? Well, I ain't got your 10 grand. So if you want it, go fuck yourselves. Okay. Here's how we get out of this hole. Take what's left.
Come on.
5 grand. Buying a high-stakes game. Son of a bitch! You tell anybody about this place, I'll find you and skin you alive, you little rat!
Yes! Yes! A road! Don't be broken. Don't be broken. Please don't be. Mom. Mom. I'm sorry. I should have come straight home. Adventure camp? Hope you and your boy have a great trip, Miss Willema. He's gonna be so surprised. That's today. Oh, Mom. Oh! Ah! You can do this! Oh, man. I really don't feel good.
Boy, I got half the sheriff's department looking for you.
Tell my mom. I'm sorry.
Now, hold on. You tell her yourself. You okay? Jesus, what happened to you?
I was looking for the fort.
Ash, what are you talking about? What happened to you out there?
I couldn't find it. I fell. Got lost. That's all.
Ash? 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 Easy, easy. Hey, I got you. We're gonna get you to a hospital. Okay?
Lucky to get over the highway, much less the border. They'd be looking everywhere. Well, you got a better plan? 'Cause I don't.
Jay!
Oh, God. I thought I lost you.
When I got out of the car, you weren't there. I thought that was it.
It was that freaking helicopter. We circled back, but the cops were... I can't believe you survived.
What were you thinking? Sneaking up on us like that? Were you followed?
I know how to cover my tracks. You got some kind of plan?
Beginnings of one. Dante's got an account number in that little black book. If it's what I think it is,
That's
then...
for later. First, we need to get to Canada.
Canada?
Cops are gonna be all over the southern border, so we head north.
You hate the cold.
Don't worry, Jay. I got your back. You know that, right?
I got yours too. You're my brother.
Good. I'm gonna take first watch. You two get some rest. We got a long day tomorrow.
Oh, you'd sleep longer. I was tuning up the bike.
Can we talk about this Canada thing?
We're not going to Canada. We're going to Texas.
Huh?
I know a guy in
Eagle Pass can get us across the Grand.
So...
Why'd you tell Jay North?
'Cause he ain't coming.
First thing tomorrow, I'll send him to...
Kanab, say he's our scout. By the time he gets back, we'll be long gone.
No, I am not doing that to him. Ain't it bad enough we lost Dale?
Hey, you think I want this? That I want any of it?
We both know Jay was never exactly your favorite.
But I still looked out for him, didn't I? All I've ever done, I did for this family. Worked my butt off since I was 14. Been protecting you from Pa from when I was old enough to hit him back. Hell, I barely even had a life of my own. I was so busy dealing with everyone else's.
For 25 years, it's always been me.
Who takes it on the chin? Tyler, the eldest. The responsible one. Well, enough's enough, Ma. I ain't going down with the ship. There's 2 seats on that motorcycle, not 3. And Jay ain't getting one. What are you doing?
Leaving.
This is crazy. I'll stay. You two go.
You'll never survive out here alone. But Jay will. He practically lives in these woods.
I don't care. I'll die here if I have to.
Nuh-uh. We're all gonna make it because Jay's gonna do the right thing and stay.
Don't want to go with you anyway. What kind of person abandons his own brother?
The kind who's sick of you always acting like you got someplace better to be.
Well, maybe I wouldn't if you were nicer to me.
Come on. You've been that way since the day we took you in.
What?
Your real mom should have done us a favor.
Tyler! Enough.
What do you mean? My real mom? Mama? What's he talking about?
You are blood, and I raised you as a son. So that makes me your mother. The rest doesn't matter.
It matters to me. Who's my real mom?
My younger sister, Brooke. She died giving birth to you.
You had a sister? Who was my father?
You don't have one. Shouldn't have been Dale. Should have been you.
I'm leaving. You better hope I don't get caught.
Jay, please. Let's talk about this. Tyler, what are you doing?
He knows the whole goddamn plan. Jay! Jay!
Don't you dare hurt him!
Jay! Get back here! Look, forget what I said, okay? Of course I'm your brother. I used to change your diapers. I know you once tried to keep a squirrel as a pet. And that you hate Ma's baked potatoes. I don't want to hurt you, Jay. I just need to know you're not gonna tell anyone the plan.
I was just angry. I swear. I didn't mean it.
And what if the cops get to you? What then?
I'll let them kill me before I say anything about Mexico. I swear it on my...
Get down here, Jay. I swear to fucking God. Jay, help me. Please! My leg can't take a fall! How the hell do you climb so fast?
I don't look down.
Look, Jay. It's been a long day. I shouldn't,
You don't gotta say it. I know what I need to do.
Which way are you gonna go?
Maybe north? Like you said, cops won't expect it.
Then good luck out there. And remember, when it's them or you, pick you.